With one of the best 3D printers, you're able to create just about anything: toys, models, working prototypes, and even protective gear for use during the coronavirus pandemic. These are flexible machines that have become valuable tools in classrooms, design shops, and the homes of hobbyists and makers. Because 3D printers are used for different purposes, though, there's a wide range of devices out there, catering to different kinds of users. Finding the right 3D printer is a matter of figuring out what you plan to use yours to create, and how much you're willing to pay. We've tested and reviewed a wide range of devices at different prices to find the best 3D printers for different needs. From low-cost printers aimed at novices and students to higher-end models that help with professional design projects, we can help you find a 3D printer that produces just what you're looking for. In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best 3D printer UK available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches, and it has been listed based on the economy, features, and prices. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need the best 3D printer in UK, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide: Present Top 5 Best 3D Printer UK. Let's get started with the list of the best 3D printer UK. Number 1. Elegoo Mars Pro Msla 3D printer. Features: technology, LCE UV photo curing. Light source, UV integrated light, a wavelength 405 nanometers. XY resolution, 0.047 millimeters, 2560*1440. Z-axis accuracy, 0.00125 millimeters. Matrix UV LED light source. Upgraded user-friendly design. Rubber seal and USB port. Built-in active carbon filter. BGW15CA linear guide rail. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Mega S 3D printer. Features: printing technology, FEM fused deposition modeling. Layer resolution, 0.05 to 0.3 millimeters. Resume print and sensor detection. Z-axis dual screw rod design. Rigid metal frame design. Powerful extruder. Upgraded extruder design. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. Geeetech Acrylic Prusa i3 Pro B Unassembled 3D Printer DIY Kit. Features: print technology, FFF/FEM. Modified all-metal X motor end. Layer resolution, 0.1 to 0.3 millimeters. Multiple filaments compatible. New GT2560 control system. Operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon UV 3D Printer. Features: technology, LCE-based SLA. Light source, UV integrated light. Printing speed, 20.5 mm per h. Z-axis resolution, 0.00125 mm. Layer resolution, 0.01 to 0.2 mm. 2560 x 1442 kHe masking LCE. Smart and user-friendly. High-quality CNC parts. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 5. Nova 3D Bin 4 3D Printer. Features: technology, UV LCE photo curing. Screen, 4.3-inch touchscreen. XY resolution, 0.047 mm, 2560*1440. Z-axis precision, 0.00125 mm. Printing accuracy, 50*50 Print speed, 10 to 30 mm h. Print size, 130*70*150 mm. Supported operating systems, Mac OS X, Windows 7 or higher. 4.3-inch smart color display. Full metal body and flip-on cover. Updated UV light source. Special resin vat design. Check product link and price on video description below. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.